this is the 20th episode of our Chinmaya Algebra series. If you haven't watched the previous 19 episodes, I suggest that you do so because those are nice problems as well. And if you have watched the previous 19, thank you very much for your support. For this video, we're looking for the value of the sum of a to the 67 plus and so on, given that a plus 1 over a is square root of 3. This is very much similar to the previous episode, but we'll just do another step before doing the same procedure. Given that a plus 1 over a equals square root of 3, we square both sides to get a squared plus 2 plus 1 over a squared is equal to 3. Note that we use here the binomial theorem for the left side. By putting the 2 on the right side, we can write this equation as a squared plus 1 over a squared is equal to 3 minus 2, or 1. Now, if we multiply both sides by a squared, we get a to the 4th plus 1 is equal to a squared. We can rewrite this by putting the a squared on the left side to get a to the 4th minus a squared plus 1 equals 0. Note that this now is very similar to the form in the previous video. So what we have to do here is multiply both sides by a squared minus 1. Sorry, a squared plus 1. By multiplying that, we get a sum of cubes. A to the 6 plus 1 is equal to 0. Again, just to recap, we know that a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared is equal to the sum of cubes. And that's what we did in this part. By solving for a to the 6, we get a to the 6 is equal to negative 1. And this value will be important in simplifying the required expression. Note that a to the 67 is a to the 66 times a to the 1. We made this a multiple of 6 because we have here a to the 6. So a to the 66 is equivalent to a to the 6 raised to the 11th power times a. Substitute the value of a to the 6, which is negative 1, times a. We get negative a here. Do the same with a to the 43. That's a to the 42 times a to the 1. This is a to the 6 raised to the 7th power times a is equal to negative 1 to the 7th power times a. Simplify to get negative a. For the next two, we're looking for a to the 29. We can write it as a to the 30 over a. Now, a to the 30 is a to the 6 raised to 5 over a. Substitute the value of a to the 6 and simplify again to get negative 1 over a. We do the same with a to the 17. A to the 17 is equal to a to the 18 over a is equal to a to the 6 cubed over a, negative 1 cubed over a. Simplify that to get negative 1 over a. Therefore, the expression we're looking for is a to the 67 plus a to the 43 plus a to the 29 plus a to the 17. Substitute the values that we know. This is negative a, negative a, negative 1 over a, negative 1 over a. Therefore, this sum is negative a minus 1 over a minus 1 over a. Simplify this, we get negative of 2a plus 2 over a. Factor out 2, we get negative 2 times a plus 1 over a. But this expression here is already known, and that's actually the given equation. Its value is square root of 3. Therefore, we are looking for this value, and it's equal to negative 2 times square root of 3, or simply negative 2 square root of 3. And that's our final answer. Hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more content.